Hey, welcome back. This is Jamie with Formidable Fabrications. I know it's been a while. Um, come to find out that the older I get, the less I care for this heat. So here in Central Maryland, we've had this awful heat wave coming through. Record-breaking temperatures in the hundreds and high humidity, and I just can't take it. Like when I was younger, I had a landscape company. I could do this stuff all day. Didn't bother me. But now I don't care for it. So I haven't been doing as much as I normally would. So I haven't got anything completely done. I do have a video coming up soon on the axle swap on the front of the International frame. I'll explain that in the video. But that's about all I've really gotten done other than some small projects here and there. But today we got something a little different. So today we got let's see if we can see it here. It's a Ford dually bed that a buddy of mine just dropped off, and I already started cutting on it in here. But the support, so these are the supports where the bolts go through to hold the bed to the frame, and you can see it's not in the greatest of shape. Got this one's not as bad, but it's still pretty bad. And I got this one that I already cut out. It was this part, and you can see this is starting to get a little bad there. This part out here is okay. And then I just got to look into this. A little bit of rust jacking on here, but I think this part's okay. So we just need to take it off. So plan is to, like this one, or just cut this out completely and just weld one thicker piece of steel on here and weld it all on. This one, since the bottom is good, I'm just going to weld a plate across the top of here and probably on the bottom. I just don't know how I'm going to do this with the bed being the way it is, but we'll figure that out when we get there. So in the meantime, I'm just going to get started on patching these up and see how it takes us. So to do this, I'm going to use 1/8 inch steel, which looks to be about 5 times thicker than what this factory steel is. Hey, look at that. They even give you a little ground strap to clamp onto, because they know that you're going to be fixing these things eventually in the bed anyway. Perfect. You can see right in here. You can see right in there, that wasn't there before, but I guess that's some thinner steel, and the heat just melted it right off. So I'm only going to play catch up with it so far. I'll go out a little bit more, and if it keeps going, I'm just going to leave it, be done. This will add the structural support to keep this from collapsing. So I'm not that concerned about it. Alright, that's as far as I'm going to go. I was almost there. I thought I got good steel, and then it just started eating that way, so I'm just going to leave it like that. That'll be fine. It'll be more than structurally sound. I'm going to call that one good. I got a couple welds in there. There's too much of that rubber crap like just embedded into it. So we got good welds all around here. That part's done. The only thing I got to do now is put this back in, which covers the hole, so when you tighten the bolt down, you don't crush this sleeve by tightening the bolt down to the frame. So you need to make sure that goes back in there appropriately. Never claimed I was a smart man, but I do have a good one once in a while. So I think that's damn near 2 inches. That's a little under. I'm thinking if I take a piece of square tubing, cut one side off, and fit it on there, instead of welding 3 different pieces, because my metal bender isn't going to be able to bend that tight of a radius. Let's see what I got. So I got this piece 2 inch. Figured somebody's gonna say something about me not wearing safety glasses that time. Cut it off at the pass. All right, let's see how this stupid thing fits on here. All right, a little bit of cleanup over here. I think it'll fit on there nicely. That's pretty close. That was just a quick little tack weld. Didn't really clean it up that well. It's just holding it in place, that's all. But the bolt's really going to compress it down. That's what's going to hold it. All right, well, the customer came right as I was finishing up, and he particularly didn't want to be on camera. So I tried to set the camera up and trying to just get a picture of us loading it up onto his truck, but I forgot to turn the stupid camera on, so whatever. So we'll have some more videos coming out here soon. I just got to finish editing the video for number 3 of the Lodestar build. I made a little bit of progress on it over the past couple days. So just remember to like and subscribe. The Lodestar build, it's a little slow getting started, but I'm trying to get all the parts together. There's a lot of parts that go into this thing, and I'm trying to source a lot of this stuff. A lot of this stuff you can't buy new, so I'm finding people on the internet that I'm buying it from, and just trying to figure out how to hook everything up, make sure everything works and fits together properly. So make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss it. I think it's going to be really cool when it's done. But in the meantime, now that the weather is settling down a little bit, at least I can be out here getting some more work done and making some more interesting videos for you guys. So thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.